Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello everybody, and I'm really sorry to interrupt the video. This is 2 days later after I actually filmed the intro and the part that you're about to see, but I just wanted to take a quick speed round to tell you this is the second video of not one, not two, but 3 of my Vlogsgiving videos. I really hope that you guys are keeping up with my channel. I'm going to be spending some time editing all of these things. I'm really hoping that you're going to enjoy them, but my Target haul, this video, which is going to be my road trip and trippy essentials, as well as my third video, which is going to be a collab with my cousins. These are going to be 3 videos posted back to back to back. So as you're watching this video, if you haven't watched the previous video, go check that out, and the video that is coming after this might already be up by the time that you see it. So go ahead and check my channel and watch a few of the videos that I already have up, and yeah, I'm really sorry to bother you with that. Without further ado, twice, let's get on to the video. So for those of you who read the title, which hopefully all of you did so, I am going on a road trip. I'm going to, if you have watched my previous video, I also mentioned it there, and I have nothing else to talk about really because I got it all out yesterday. But anyways, I hope you all have an amazing day, and without further ado, let's get on into it. Hello everybody, and welcome to a completely different angle of my car. So I usually, every time we go on a road trip, set up the back of the car because that's usually just the area where me and my dogs chill. Now just me and my dog. I wanted to show you guys how I set up the car because I usually have a large space because I am an only child and it's just me to wander around, and now that we are in our new car, I have plenty of space to do so with. So I just decided to include how I'm setting up the car in the video, as well as showing you like the playlist and things that I'm going to be doing and packing. Welcome to angle number 3. I thought that lever was to put the seats back, and the entire time I've been shoving it back when it could have gone forward. So I am going to go ahead and get everything in here that I don't actually need out of here, put the stuff that I will need here, and now that we have all of this space in the back, I can pretty much do whatever I want with it. Hello, I didn't expect to see you guys here at all. Hello everybody, it's a new day, you know, we got a new haircut, and it is currently Monday afternoon. The last time that I talked to you was Saturday morning, I believe. I skipped Sunday because I wasn't really doing anything then. I was planning on starting the filming. Oh my god, my dog is being so loud. So now that it is Monday today, I'm actually going to start packing, or finish packing. I kind of already started, and I'm going to set up the car and have it all completely done so that tomorrow morning all we have to do is get all of the luggage in the car, and then I will just put a few things to, you know, occupy my time while we are in the car for the drive. We are going to be leaving tomorrow around noon-ish, I would say. I'm so incredibly impatient when it comes to when we're going on trips, to the point where I get so bothersome and I'm that little kid in the car going, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Because I love going places that aren't where I am. Now that I've gone on babbling about, you know, my entire life story, getting on to packing. So it's another day, and it is the third and hopefully final hairstyle that you will be seeing from me in this video. I wanted to take a little bit of time out of the video before the actual road trip part starts. You've already been watching for like 3 minutes now, and somehow I have managed to not get anything in the video actually done. But I guarantee you after this little segment of the video, you will go straight on to the actual road trip part. But to start off with basically road trip essentials, one of my biggest pet peeves about a road trip is people who are on social media the entire time. You're going in a different place. You're experiencing something out of the normal, but why would you do something that you could do at home when you could be doing something much more productive, or just staying off of those things that you could be doing at home? It's better than scrolling through a bunch of other people dancing or just something like that. TikTok. But I mean, even reading an article on your phone can be quite beneficial. My second thing that you should bring with you is something to sketch or draw with. Again, I'm very, very anti-social media, but instead of doing things like that, you could possibly spend your time playing some brain games that can help keep you focused. I have two main apps that I would love to recommend to you guys, not even for road trips, just because they're really, really fun. Two Dots, which is it's very much a brain game. You have to try to figure out different ways to meet a certain quota of certain colors of dots. You can see that on this part of the screen, and just it's really, really fun to play. It can take up a lot of time because you'll get so focused on it, but every time you lose a round, you lose a heart, and you get 6 hearts, I believe, back in 20 minutes, and it really just makes you think because you don't want to lose your hearts, and you want to make it with as little moves as possible so you can get higher stars in a level. My second thing is Tetris. Oh, sweet Tetris, the classic game. I absolutely recommend taking this on a drive with you, just because it is. I could get lost in trying to figure out how to play it. I've been playing it forever, and I just so enjoy it. It is free. Both of these apps are free in the App Store. You could get lost in both of these games, and they make you think, and they're very productive. If you're the kind of person that doesn't really enjoy road trips and just kind of wants to get through it, I love taking my wireless headphones and listening to playlists just the entire time. I could waste time at up to 5 hours of Queen and Queen alone. I am really, really excited. The next time that I will be hearing from you are when we are packing up the car and actually starting the road trip. I love you guys so much, and I'm so sorry that I have wasted 9 more minutes of your time in this video.
Music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
We've been driving for maybe an hour and 30 minutes. We just took our first stop. We're getting out, and we're getting gas, and we are getting snacks. But so far, I have nothing to complain about. The view is amazing. It is a very pretty day, and it is very cold. And I hate the heat, so that is very convenient, because if the car were hot, I would probably die. We're not there anymore. We just pulled over, but there was like 30 cows and about 20 goats that we just passed by. I got a little bit of it on camera. I'm getting so tired, so this is our third stop? Second stop.
Yeah, I mean, I stopped and we didn't have a car though.
Okay, so this is our second stop. We just took the little one for a walk, and now we are driving to La Dairy Queen.
What is happening here? Whoop. Oh.
Somebody got in trouble.
Mom, are we there yet?
I think we are.
Oh wait, seriously? May just be me, but I think we're on the interstate.
Well, we're not there, but we're in Byron.
Well, okay, then how long is it going to be until we're there?
Like 5 minutes.
Okay, so this is the end of the video. I'm really, really sorry. I thought that I filmed the part where I got with my two cousins when apparently I actually didn't. But putting all of that aside, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. I know it was kind of simple, but if you did enjoy it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That really helps me, you know, in the long run. Go ahead and check the links below because each click is, you know, beneficial to my Bitly account, you know, give me that coin. And I really hope this video doesn't get demonetized. Bye.